Hi there, in today's video I'm gonna use two different strategies to solve for x. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1. We have this triangle, let's call this triangle OAB. OA and OB are radii of the circle, so we have an isosceles triangle. We found that B is 44 degrees as well, and the third angle of this triangle is gonna be 92 degrees. And for triangle OBC, OB and OC are radii, so we have isosceles triangle. B is 65 and the third angle is 50 degrees. So we found that angle O is sum of 92 and 50, 142 degrees. Okay. Angle O is a central angle and its intercepted arc is ABC, and we know that these are equal. So arc ABC is 142 degrees as well. Okay, so this arc is 142. And how about angle X? Angle X is an inscribed angle with intercepted arc ABC, and we know that an inscribed angle is half of its intercepted arc. So by dividing 142 by 2, we reach to this number 71 degrees, the size of X. Okay. This was the first strategy. Let's dive into the second one. Number 2. Okay, let's call this point D. We have ABCD, which is a cyclic quadrilateral. One property of cyclic quadrilateral is that opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. Opposite angle like angle D and B. You know, the sum of them should be 180 degrees. So D plus B is 180. D is X, B is sum of 44 and 65. And this is 109. So X is 180 minus 109, which is 71 degrees, the size of X. So this was the second strategy, and you can see that I believe that the second one is really easier than the first one. Which one do you prefer? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.